Ansonic technology, the hidden champion of Taiwan's CNC machining industry.
Today, Mecom is very pleased to visit a factory well-known both domestically and internationally, Ansonic Technology. How do they have customers in various fields? Let's follow the footsteps of Mecom's sales representative and take a look.
Hello everyone, I am Steven, the Assistant Manager of the Technology Department at Mecom. I am very excited to introduce to you a low-key, well-known and highly professional CNC machining factory today. No matter the industry field or the difficulty of the machining process, this factory can always meet customers' needs. Although they haven't done much publicity, their name can be always heard from others in this field. For more detailed company introduction, let's invite the project manager from Ansonic to share with us.
This is the factory site of Ansonic Technology. Ansonic Technology was established in 1996, and it's almost 30 years since then. We are primarily an OEM machining factory. Our customers come from many different industries. Those equipment we are using include lathe milling machines, ultrasonic cleaners, vibration grinding machines, cutting machines, and more. All of our milling machines are brother brand, and each one is equipped with a fourth axis. Looking forward to the future demands of the machining industry, in order to improve machining precision, reduce positioning errors caused by repeated setups, and shorten processing time, we introduced the semi-5-axis machines this year. Back in 2022, we also implemented an intelligent management system to improve work order planning, production efficiency, and machine utilization. In terms of manufacturing capability, as we have a lot of experience in various industries and different material. Starting from the early stages, we can support our clients from the development phase by offering DFM services all the way to mass production. This includes post-processing steps such as deburring, screw assembly, thread inserts, and finally, packaging and shipping a complete one-stop service. We also make jigs and fixtures to fit customers' design, handling everything from manufacturing, assembly, testing, maintenance. Our measurement equipment covers almost all the needs of the machining industry, including CMM, height gauges, 2.5D projector, hardness testers, and surface roughness testers. As for standard inspection tools, we are fully equipped. To improve measurement efficiency, we also implemented key and instant measurement system in 2022, an automated data input system for measurement results. The system side, we are ISO 9001 certified, and in 2024, we completed a carbon footprint verification for our plant. To improve the work environment and take care of employee health, we also introduced the oil mist filter equipment. In order to reduce waste emissions, we also invested wastewater distillation equipment in 2024 and introduced MCM Plant-based cutting fluid throughout the site. As an enterprise committed to ESG and environmental sustainability, we are proactively reducing waste to the minimum. Now, let's take a look at our factory's working environment.
In the industry, it's always difficult to get balance between cost and quality. May I ask for your thoughts on how your company approaches this issue?
Our company places a very high priority on quality. Whether it's in equipment, tools, or cutting fluid, we are extremely attentive and will never compromise quality just to reduce costs. This commitment is the key reason why Ansonic has been able to sustain itself in the industry over the years. We want our customers to feel confident when they buy from us and at ease when they use our products.
I'm particularly curious about your choice of cutting fluid. For many years, your company has been using imported brands. So, what made you decide to change to Mecom's cutting fluid? What's the difference?
When we used to use mineral oil, we always had problems with sludge accumulation and unpleasant sour odors. Since we changed to use Mecom's cutting fluid, these issues have been completely resolved. In terms of oil consumption, Mecom's product has lower carry-off loss, which significantly reduces our replenishment needs and overall costs. Also, when we used to process oxygen-free copper with mineral oil, verdigris would come out. After switching to Mecom, that issue disappeared entirely.
I know you've been actively working on improving the factory environment and optimizing internal processes. From your experience, how has using MCM plant-based cutting fluid contributed to ESG efforts in a tangible way?
That's a good question. In our industry, the largest emission is wastewater. Because the MCM cutting fluid has a longer service life, we end up producing much less wastewater. This is the biggest ESG-related benefit we've seen.
Finally, could you sum up your impression of Mecom MCM plant-based cutting fluid in one sentence?
MCM plant-based cutting fluid is the best we've ever used.
Your success, we make it happen.